The hardware for this module comprises an electro-pneumatic production line system, a ladder logic programming editor and drive system specifically designed for education that mimics programmable logic controllers used in industry is also included. All programming tasks that students complete can be tested on both the simulated production line and the real hardware system. By using the on-screen simulation of the production line, you can turn every PC into a fully functioning training system. This means that you only need one hardware system in the classroom. Students develop and test programs on their own computer before transferring the final version to the actual hardware. The ST290 Industrial Control Module brings a typical industrial application into the classroom, challenging students to think like real engineers and solve real problems. The well-written curriculum materials supplied with this module introduces students to industry-standard ladder logic programming. Through a progressive series of assignments, they discover concepts and programming techniques which are then put into practice during design challenges. The final task is for them to apply all their skills to design and test a parts selection system. The ready-made lessons for both tutor and student provide a blended learning approach. This gives the opportunity for independent learning, teamwork, and group demonstrations to be carried out. Theory presentations in PowerPoint enable tutors to introduce topics and cover key concepts. When used with a student response system, automatic tracking of the integrated questions and instant feedback helps engage and excite the students. This also saves valuable tutor time with automatic marking and reporting. The student-centered learning content is designed for flexible delivery from a PC, server system or internet connection. Its HTML format meets the requirements of the SCORM standard for access on a virtual learning platform. It includes continuous and summative assessment for automatically tracking and marking students' progress. Students compare and contrast custom, batch and mass production techniques by exploring different methods of assembling gearboxes. Parts manipulation tasks throughout the curriculum require program monitoring of switches, infrared beam sensors, cylinder piston proximity reed switches, and the control of lamps, conveyor motor and pneumatic cylinders. Simulation of the production line enables students to develop their programs without the need for hardware to be connected. Students can replicate the practical tasks that they can do on the actual hardware right on their computer screens. The editor includes logic components of commercial controllers. However, a graphical representation of sensor and actuator components in the production line makes program interpretation much easier. Later on, the editor can be switched to replace the graphical components with industry-recognized symbols. The wiring system panel on the production line trainer allows the computer connections to be disconnected. If available, any commercial PLC unit can then be wired to the production line. Programs developed for the commercial unit now take control of the system. This enables the hardware to be used as an application for teaching industrial PLCs to students at a higher level. The applied learning nature of this module engages students and gives them a highly valued industrial control experience.